G'day mates! Australia is packed with incredible camping spots, from remote outback sites to coastal escapes. We're exploring the best camping spots across the country. Pristine beaches where kangaroos lounge, rugged mountains with stunning views, and lush rainforests teeming with life. Pack your tent and let's dive into Aussie camping. First up, we're heading over to Lucky Bay in Western Australia. This place is picture perfect, with white sand that squeaks between your toes and turquoise water that'll make you want to jump right in. But the real stars here are the kangaroos. These laid-back fellas love catching rays on the beach. Imagine waking up to them bouncing past your campsite. It's an experience you won't find anywhere else. Next, we're off to Tasmania, home to the stunning Freycinet National Park. If you're a hiking enthusiast, this place is paradise. Rugged granite peaks, secluded coves, and panoramic views that'll leave you breathless. Check out Wineglass Bay, one of the world's most beautiful beaches. Trust me, the pictures don't do it justice. Hold your breath, everyone. We're diving into Cape Range National Park in Western Australia, a haven for marine life, with Ningaloo Reef right on its doorstep. Swim with whale sharks, spot manta rays, and explore coral gardens that'll make your jaw drop. Whether you're a seasoned diver or a beginner snorkeler, this underwater wonderland will leave you in awe. Number 4. Wilpena Pound, the outback's natural amphitheater. Get ready for adventure as we venture into Wilpena Pound in South Australia. This ancient natural amphitheater was carved out over millions of years. The views from the top are breathtaking, especially at sunrise and sunset. Explore rugged trails, discover hidden gorges, and immerse in the raw beauty of the Australian outback. Number 5. Booderee National Park, beaches, bush and bliss. Next stop, Booderee National Park in New South Wales. This place has it all. Pristine white sand beaches perfect for swimming and sunbathing, lush bushland teeming with wildlife, and crystal clear waters that are a fisherman's dream. Pitch your tent by the beach, listen to waves at night, and wake up to kookaburras. Talk about a relaxing getaway. Number 6. Blue Mountains National Park, where adventure meets altitude. Now we're off to the Blue Mountains National Park, just a hop, skip, and a jump from Sydney. A hiker's paradise with trails through eucalyptus forests and past waterfalls, leading to breathtaking lookouts. Don't forget your camera for the stunning views. Look out for the iconic Three Sisters rock formation. Number 7. Noosa North Shore, 4WD Fun in Paradise. Rev your engines, adventurers, because we're heading to Noosa North Shore in Queensland. This place is a 4-wheel drive enthusiast's dream, with miles of pristine beaches to explore. Imagine cruising along the sand, the wind in your hair, and the Pacific Ocean stretching out before you. When you're ready to set up camp, you've got your pick of beachfront campsites with million-dollar views. Number 8, Wilson's Promontory, where the bush meets the sea. Get ready for a wild ride at Wilson's Promontory in Victoria. Known for its rugged coastline, secluded beaches and abundant wildlife. Hike through lush rainforests, spot wombats and wallabies, and cool off with a dip in the ocean. Number 9, El Questro Outback Adventure in the Kimberley. Hold on to your hats, folks, because we're heading deep into the heart of the Kimberley in Western Australia to El Questro. This place is as remote as it gets, with rugged gorges, thermal springs, and outback scenery that'll blow your mind. Go on a 4-wheel drive adventure, hike through ancient landscapes, and cool off in crystal clear swimming holes. It's the ultimate escape for those who want to get away from it all. Number 10, Fraser Island. Sand, sun, and swimming in paradise. Next up, we're off to Fraser Island, the largest sand island in the world. This place is a natural wonder, with rainforests, freshwater lakes, and pristine beaches. Swim in Lake Mackenzie, hike through rainforests, and spot wild dingoes. Remember, always be dingo safe and keep your distance. Number 11, Litchfield National Park, waterfalls and wildlife wonders. Get ready for an adventure at Litchfield National Park in the Northern Territory. This tropical paradise has waterfalls, swimming holes, and giant termite mounds. Cool off in Florence Falls plunge pools. Dip in Bewley rock holes, jacuzzi, and marvel at the magnetic termite mounds. Number 12, Karijini National Park. Gorgeous swimming holes and outback adventures. Now, we're off to Karijini National Park in Western Australia, a place that will take your breath away. This ancient landscape is home to some of the most spectacular gorges in Australia, with towering red cliffs and crystal clear swimming holes. Hidden waterfalls await exploration. Hike through the gorges, take a dip in Fern Pool, and marvel at the starry night sky. Number 13, Mount Kosciuszko National Park. From snowy peaks to alpine meadows. Experience the alpine beauty of Mount Kosciuszko National Park in New South Wales, a year-round destination with snow-capped peaks in winter and wildflowers in summer. Ski or snowboard in winter, hike to the summit, or relax and enjoy the scenery. Number 14, Innes National Park, coastal cliffs, shipwrecks and secluded beaches. Next up, we're off to Innes National Park in South Australia, a hidden gem for everyone. Explore rugged cliffs, discover shipwrecks, relax on secluded beaches, and spot diverse wildlife. Check out the eerie remains of the Ethel ship, a reminder of the area's maritime history. Number 15, Grampians National Park. Rock art, rock climbing and remarkable views. Discover Grampians National Park in Victoria, where ancient culture meets natural beauty. Marvel at Aboriginal rock art, challenge yourself with rock climbing. Hike to Pinnacle, for panoramic views and spot unique wildlife. It's a special place that'll leave a lasting impression. Number 16, Bay of Fires, where the rocks glow orange. Discover the Bay of Fires in Tasmania, a coastal paradise with a unique twist. Granite boulders along the shore are covered in bright orange lichen, creating a surreal landscape. Relax on white sand beaches, swim in crystal clear waters, and explore the coastline by kayak. Number 17, Kakadu National Park, ancient culture and untamed wilderness. We're heading to Kakadu National Park, home to Aboriginal people for over 65,000 years. This vast wilderness teems with wildlife, from saltwater crocodiles to colourful birds. Explore ancient rock art sites. Cruise the yellow water billabong and learn about the rich Indigenous culture. Number 18, Cape Tribulation, where the rainforest meets the reef. Explore Cape Tribulation in Queensland, where the Daintree rainforest meets the Great Barrier Reef. This biodiversity hotspot has lush rainforests, pristine beaches, and colourful coral reefs. Hike through the rainforest, snorkel or dive on the reef, and spot unique wildlife like cassowaries and tree kangaroos. Number 19, Coffin Bay National Park, oysters, beaches and tranquility. Next up, we're off to Coffin Bay National Park in South Australia, a secluded paradise. You can relax on pristine beaches, go fishing for your dinner, and indulge in fresh oysters straight from the source. It's the perfect escape from everyday life. Number 20, Maria Island, wildlife, history and island adventures. Last but not least, we're off to Maria Island in Tasmania, where time stands still. This island is a wildlife haven with wombats, kangaroos and Tasmanian devils roaming free. Explore historic ruins, hike to breathtaking viewpoints, and soak up the tranquility of this island paradise. Outro. Start planning your Aussie camping adventure. Which of these amazing camping spots would you visit first? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Happy camping!